And in this clip, we'll be finishing up our second Web 2.0 style button.
Okay, let's go and organize everything up here. First, I'm going to go and expand this button a bit. Select all of our button layers, outside stroke, button glare, and button background. Hit Control T. Go ahead and drag it out a bit and hit return on the keyboard. Go ahead and scroll up here. Select our graphic, and we're going to go ahead and move this guy over a bit, and our text can go over. And we'll just adjust our graphic to get it in the right spot. Okay, that works pretty well. And we're going to move the whole button 2 down a bit so it's not sitting right on top of that other button. Okay, let's go ahead and add a reflection again, which you should know how to do there. Let's go ahead and duplicate this group, layer, duplicate group, button 2, reflection, and we'll hit Control T to transform that group. Right click and flip vertical. Hit return, and with the move tool selected, we'll go ahead and nudge this down till we get to the bottom. That'll work. Add our layer mask with our gradient from white to black, linear. Let's go ahead and throw one on there. Oh, it pretty much matches our other one. And then we'll go ahead and add another group. We'll call this button 2 again here. And we'll add these 2 button 2s into this group. So we've got button 1 and button 2. And now, obviously, you can go ahead and change these buttons for as many different features as you want. Change the colors, your fonts. But this is just a general way to get going on it. You should definitely go ahead and utilize your custom shapes in Photoshop and search the internet for custom shapes. You never know what you can find. You can find easy ways to go ahead and add a little bit extra to your buttons or your website. And again, I'd like to go ahead and thank BlogWatts for the idea for this outside stroke with the drop shadow for the design. I came across it while I was making these buttons and thought everybody could benefit from that idea. So thanks again, guys.